today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an Elementor page as your home page. Setting up your website's home page with Elementor is a fairly simple process once you get the hang of it, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just need a little refresher, you'll find this guide both useful and straightforward. Let's begin by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll be able to manage all aspects of your website. From here, you want to locate and click on Pages, which is usually found in the menu on the left. After clicking, you'll be taken to a new page that lists all the pages currently available on your website. Here, you may need to either create a new page using Elementor or select one of your existing pages that you've already created. If you're creating a new one, simply click Add New at the top, name your page, and then click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will open the Elementor editor, where you can start customizing your design. Use the drag and drop features to build your layout, and don't forget to save your changes regularly. Once your page is ready and you're satisfied with how it looks, navigate back to your WordPress dashboard. Now, it's time to set this page as the home page. Look for the settings in the menu, and then click on Reading. This section controls how your front page displays. You'll see an option labeled Your Home Page Displays. Here, you want to select a static page. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose which page you want as your home page. Select the page you created or customized with Elementor from that drop-down. It's important to verify everything is saved correctly, so once you've picked the page, scroll down and hit the Save Changes button. And just like that, when visitors come to your website, they'll see the beautifully designed Elementor page you've set as the home page. Before you wrap up, make sure to check out your website in a new browser window or by clearing your cache to ensure everything appears just as you intended. Congratulations, you've now set up your Elementor page as your home page. Remember, having an appealing and functional home page is crucial as it's often the first impression visitors will have of your site. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if needed, and take the time to make any adjustments to the page design with Elementor to best fit your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us for more tutorials to help you get the most out of your web tools.